build. Okay, a build is basically a process where a version of the code is picked up, and it is compiled into an output format which can be deployed to a server. Now, what is the output format depends on the technology and the code that is being developed. But typically, the source code is picked up. It will be compiled into a machine readable code, which is then saved as an output, which will be deployed to a servers. Now, in case of if you're from Microsoft or .NET background, the output will be a set of DLLs or an exe, which is zipped into a folder, which can be deployed. If it's a Python files, then it's just the static Python files will be ready for be deployed. So it depends on the source code. If it is Java, it will be jar file example. So depending on the source code, the latest code will be compiled and built into an output which can be deployed. Generally, this is called a building process or a build process.